Hi YouTube, my name is Gabby, but you guys may know me as GabbyBaddd. Welcome back to my channel. You guys seen the title, we are doing a protective style. I did not braid my hair because I don't know how to braid, so shout out to my mother-in-law for doing this. I have exactly 5 packs of hair. I kept them on their little thingy. Make sure you close the latch. Put it through, okay? Hold it right there. Get your hair, it's already pre-looped, okay? See that? Put it on the latch, like these. Close it. Pull it through. Open the latch. Open the hole a little bit more. Pull the end through. And curly. Right here, I'm just reversing my crochet twist. So this way, I am doing it from the right and pulling it through. So my knot will stay flat. And right here, I'm pulling it through from the left. Just so I can make it look nice and flat. I also left really big, not too much big, but as you can see, I left gaps in between my crochet twist, so it will make it look nice and flat also. And this look only took me 30 minutes. I probably would have got done sooner if I wasn't playing so much music while I was doing my hair. And as you can see, my little braid at the end, I crocheted that also through my actual braid upside down, if that makes any sense, so it can be hidden out the way. And this look is light, it is not heavy whatsoever. As long as whoever is braiding your hair or you're braiding your hair is not tight, it will not be heavy. Yes, that's all I have to say about this. It was really simple, like really simple, not hard to do at all. And it was cheap. Only got 5 packs of hair, but I only used 4. I added more at the end of the video. I didn't record that part because my camera died. So I added more, but this is the finished product, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Bye.
Oh, you can sound commercial to me, man. I don't like commercial.